Welcome to Easy English with Emily. Daily English made easy.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Leo. Welcome to Easy English with Emily.
Leo, are you excited about today's lesson?
Absolutely. Today we're teaching 10 essential conversations that every English learner needs to know.
That's right. We're covering real-life situations like shopping, restaurants, travel, meeting people, and more.
Each conversation is about 60 seconds, so you get plenty of practice without feeling overwhelmed.
And the best part? You can use these conversations immediately in real life.
We've organized everything with timestamps in the description so you can jump to any conversation you need.
Are you ready to sound confident and natural in English?
Then let's start with our first conversation at a coffee shop.
Let's go. Conversation 1. Coffee shop. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Java House. What can I get started for you today?
I'd like a medium latte, please. Can you make it with oat milk?
Of course. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. And could I get that with an extra shot of espresso?
Absolutely. Anything else? We have fresh pastries today, croissants and muffins.
Ooh, I'll take a blueberry muffin too.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. That'll be $8.50. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Card, please. Here you go.
Thank you. Just tap it right there. Great. Your order will be ready at the end of the counter in about 3 minutes. Can I get a name for the order?
Emily.
Perfect, Emily. We'll call your name when it's ready. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You too. Conversation 2. Clothing store.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I'm looking for a casual shirt for work. Something professional but comfortable.
Great. What size do you usually wear?
I'm a medium, but sometimes large, depending on the fit.
No problem. Let me show you our new arrivals. These button-down shirts are very popular. What color do you prefer?
I like the blue one. Do you have it in medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, here's a medium. The fitting rooms are right over there if you'd like to try it on.
Yes, I'll try it. Thanks. This fits perfectly. How much is it?
That one is $35, but actually it's on sale today, 20% off.
Oh, that's a great deal. I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. Would you like to sign up for our store membership? You get 10% off every purchase.
Sure, why not?
Excellent. Just fill out this form with your email. Your total today is $28. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Here's my card.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for your help. Conversation 3. Dining at a restaurant. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have a table available for one?
Yes, we have a nice table by the window. Follow me, please.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here's your table. Here's the menu, and our specials are on the board. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'll have a glass of water with lemon, please.
Of course. Take your time looking at the menu. I'll be right back with your water. Here's your water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the spaghetti carbonara, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like garlic bread with that?
Yes, please. And could I get a side salad as well?
Absolutely. What dressing would you like on your salad? We have Italian, ranch, and balsamic vinaigrette.
I'll have the balsamic vinaigrette.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes. Enjoy. How was everything?
It was delicious. Could I get the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back with that. Returns with check. Here you go. Whenever you're ready, no rush.
Thank you so much. The service was great. Conversation 4. Checking in at the airport.
Hi, I'm checking in for Flight 305 to Los Angeles.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket confirmation, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale for me. 21 kilograms. That's within the limit, so no extra charge. Do you have any liquids or prohibited items in your bag?
No, just clothes and personal items.
Great. Would you prefer a window seat or aisle seat?
Window, please.
Let me see what's available. Yes, I have 23A for you. That's a window seat. Your flight boards at gate 15 at 2:30 p.m. Boarding begins at 2 p.m.
What time does the flight depart?
Departure is at 3 p.m. and you'll arrive in Los Angeles at 5:45 p.m. local time.
Perfect. Do I need to go through security now?
Yes, security is just over there to your left. I recommend going through at least 45 minutes before boarding. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great flight.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip. Conversation 5. Hotel reservation. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Emily Johnson.
Good afternoon, Miss Johnson. Welcome to Grand Plaza Hotel. Let me pull up your reservation. Yes, I have you here. You booked a deluxe room with a king bed for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. May I see your ID and a credit card for incidentals, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Just to confirm, you'll be checking out on Friday, December 8th?
Yes, that's correct. Is breakfast included?
Yes, complimentary breakfast is served daily from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our restaurant on the 2nd floor. We also have a fitness center and pool on the 3rd floor, both open 24 hours.
That's great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m., but we do offer late checkout until 2 p.m. for $30 if you need it.
Good to know. Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. The network name and password are in your room. You're in room 412 on the 4th floor. Here are your key cards. You have 2. The elevators are just around the corner.
Perfect. One more question. Do you have room service?
Yes, room service is available from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. The menu is in your room. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay and please let us know if you need anything.
Conversation 6. Visiting the doctor. Hi, Leo. Good to see you. What brings you in today?
Hi, Dr. Emily. I've had a really bad sore throat for about 4 days now, and I'm also feeling very tired.
Okay. Any other symptoms? Fever, cough, body aches?
Yes, I had a fever yesterday, around 101 degrees, and I've been coughing, especially at night.
I see. Any difficulty breathing or chest pain?
No, nothing like that, just the sore throat and cough.
All right, let me take a look. Open your mouth and say ah for me. Your throat is quite red and inflamed. Let me check your temperature and listen to your lungs. Your temperature is normal now, and your lungs sound clear. It looks like you have a viral throat infection, probably the flu. The good news is it's not strep throat.
What should I do?
Get plenty of rest and drink lots of fluids. Water, tea, soup. I'll prescribe some medication for the pain and fever. You can take over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen. Avoid cold drinks for now.
How long until I feel better?
Usually 5 to 7 days. But if your symptoms get worse or you develop difficulty breathing, come back immediately or go to urgent care. Also, stay home and rest for at least 2 to 3 days.
Okay, I will. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and feel better soon. Conversation 7. Making new friends. Hi, I'm Emily. I don't think we've met before.
Hey, Emily. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, how do you know Sarah? She's the host, right?
Yes, Sarah and I work together at the marketing firm downtown. How about you?
Oh, interesting. We went to college together. We were roommates, actually.
That's awesome. So what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to international students. What about you? You said you work in marketing?
Yes, I'm a social media manager. I handle campaigns for different brands.
That sounds really cool. Do you enjoy it?
I love it. It's creative and always changing. Teaching must be rewarding too.
It really is. I love helping people learn. So, have you been in this city long?
About 2 years now. I moved here from Chicago. You?
I've been here my whole life, born and raised. Do you like it here?
I love it. The weather is better than Chicago, that's for sure. Hey, do you want to grab some food? I'm starving.
Sure. I heard they have amazing appetizers. Oh, and by the way, we should exchange numbers. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime.
That'd be great. What's your number?
It's 555-0198. Text me and I'll save yours.
Perfect. I'll text you now. There you go.
Got it. Great meeting you, Leo.
You too, Emily. Let's definitely stay in touch.
Conversation 8. Banking.
Hi, I'd like to open a checking account, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. Have you banked with us before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome. Let me explain our options. We have a basic checking account with no monthly fee if you maintain a minimum balance of $500, or a premium account with no minimum balance but a $10 monthly fee. Which interests you?
What are the benefits of the premium account?
The premium account comes with free checks, no ATM fees at any bank, and overdraft protection. The basic account has free online banking and one free checkbook.
I think I'll go with the basic account for now.
Perfect choice. Now I'll need 2 forms of identification, usually a driver's license or passport, plus a social security card or birth certificate.
I have my driver's license and social security card.
Great. I also need proof of address, a utility bill or lease agreement less than 3 months old.
Here's my electric bill from last month.
Perfect. Now, what's your current employment status?
I'm employed full-time at Tech Solutions.
Excellent. And will you be making an initial deposit today?
Yes, I'd like to deposit $1,000.
Wonderful. Just fill out this application form, name, address, social security number, and signature. Your debit card will arrive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. In the meantime, I can give you a temporary card today.
That's great. Will I have online banking access?
Yes, I'll give you a temporary password and you can set up your online account today. You'll be able to check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills online.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Here's my card if you have any questions. Welcome to the bank. Conversation 9. Cell phone plan. Hi, I'm interested in switching my phone plan. My current data limit is too low.
I can definitely help you with that. What's your current plan?
I have 5 gigabytes of data per month, but I always run out before the month ends.
Okay. How much data do you typically use?
I think around 10 to 15 gigabytes. I stream music and use GPS a lot.
Perfect. Let me show you our options. We have a 15 gigabyte plan for $50 per month or unlimited data for $60 per month.
What's the difference in speed with unlimited?
The unlimited plan has full 5G speed up to 50 gigabytes. Then it slows down slightly. But for most people, it's still very fast. Do you use hotspot?
Sometimes, when I'm traveling.
Then I'd recommend unlimited. It includes 10 gigabytes of mobile hotspot. The 15 gigabyte plan doesn't have hotspot.
That sounds better. Is there a contract?
No contract. You can cancel anytime. We do have a promotion right now. First month is 50% off.
Oh, that's great. What about international calling?
International calling to Canada and Mexico is included. For other countries, you can add an international package for $15 per month.
I don't need that. When can the new plan start?
I can activate it right now. It'll take effect immediately. Your next bill will reflect the new rate.
Perfect. And my phone number stays the same?
Yes, absolutely. Everything stays the same, just the plan changes. Do you need a new SIM card?
No, my phone is pretty new.
Great. Then you're all set. Let me just process this. Done. You're now on the unlimited plan. You'll get a confirmation text in a few minutes.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new plan.
Conversation 10. Booking a haircut.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut.
Of course. When were you thinking?
Do you have anything available this Saturday?
Let me check our schedule. Yes, we have openings at 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 4 p.m. What works best for you?
1 p.m. would be perfect.
Great. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Welcome. What's your name?
Leo Martinez.
Perfect, Leo. What kind of haircut are you looking for?
I want to keep it short on the sides and a little longer on top. Nothing too fancy.
Okay, like a modern classic cut? Do you have a stylist preference or would you like me to recommend someone?
Who would you recommend?
Sarah is excellent with men's cuts. She's very detail-oriented.
Sounds good. How much is a men's haircut?
A haircut is $35 or $45 with the wash and style. We also offer beard trims for $15 if you're interested.
I'll just do the haircut with wash and style.
Perfect. That's $45. Would you like to add anything else? We have scalp treatments and hair products.
No, just the haircut is fine. Can I pay when I arrive?
Yes, absolutely. We take cash and all major cards. Do you need a reminder?
Yes, please. Can you text me?
Of course. What's your phone number?
555-0176.
Got it. I'll send you a reminder on Friday. See you Saturday at 1 p.m. with Sarah.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Looking forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching. I hope these conversations helped you feel more confident in English. Which conversation helped you most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe for daily English lessons. See you in the next video.